Affinity Photos.
Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'd like to talk with you how to start color grading. A lot of people asking me how to start color grading, how would I know what I should do? And there is no question, there is no answer for that. There is simply just do it. And let me show you where to start. And this is the most simple example I can show you. This is a simple tool. It is in Affinity Photo and in Lightroom. And this is something like that. Just grab a photo like that, an image, any image, and just add HSL adjustment layer. It's everywhere the same. It's hue, saturation, and luminance. And let me show you how it works. Let's pick blue. And now this is some range of blue, or maybe more of a purple color. And you can do whatever you want with this. This is only you that can do whatever you want. And for starters, if you are starting with this is like your first idea to, maybe I will color grade an image. I would just simply play with the saturation slider and just remove colors from an image. Like, let's go with the purple, right? It's pretty much everywhere, as you can see. This is totally plus 100%. Let's go with minus 100%, meaning there is no dead color on the image. Let's do the same with pink. Let's go with red. Oh no, sorry, the flags are red. Let's leave red as this. Yellow we can also remove because there is very little yellow. As you can see, this is just the sunlight, nothing else. And for example, you can have something like that. Or you can pump up that yellow, which effectively, if you lower down the green, makes you a free color edit image. Because as you can see here, we got gray, gray, and gray. So in the end, from those 6 colors on the color wheel, we have only one. We got yellows, blues, and pretty much that's it. And a little bit of reds, of course. So there you have it. It's very simple. Just if you can play on your mobile phone, it would be great to start color grading. Just try, play around, and find your look. Maybe you can, like I do. I like orange color, but I usually do this by adding an additional layer, lens filter, and going with orange all around. But in that case, I like only those spots of orange color because it does pop out, it drags your eye, and it just simply makes you focus on the image that there is any color. In that case, the flags, the green light on the road. It doesn't have to be the perfect image. It's about the technique and the exercise, so you can color grade, paint your own images however you like. And that's it. It's very simple. And to show you Lightroom, Lightroom has the same stuff. Pretty much every software has the same stuff. For example, this is my jalapeno with bacon and mozzarella. And for example, the very simple slider thing that you can do if you don't like that image. For example, for me, this is a little bit too yellow. So I can move, for example, the orange color a little bit more towards red. And suddenly it just became a lot more meaty, I would say. That bacon is a lot more raw. The same if I will do with that slider. The effects are different, but it's pretty much the same. And with the saturation, if I will just pump up the reds, it does look a little bit different. If I would pump up the orange, everything looks a lot more fried, a lot more baked. So that's it. In the yellow color, I can remove a little bit of yellow, and suddenly everything looks totally different. Depends. What do you like? Why do you like it? And that's the bottom line. So just simply try and play around. For example, for this, if I go with the green saturation to the bottom, it's pointless. I need to have this juicy green color in those peppers. And of course, luminance. Luminance gives us the brightness of the color. So I can make either everything dark or a lot brighter. In that case, let's just keep it as it were. And the more subtle the changes, the better the results, because this will be more realistic, of course. And you would like to get product photography, especially as realistic as possible. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment sections, and that's the base. Now you can know where to start if you want to color grade any of your photographies or images or whatever. Start with the HSL. Don't be afraid, use the sliders. They are very, very simple, and you will really enjoy this because it's simply fun to have. Totally different effects, single color images where you paint with only one color, for example. It's very, very fun. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and bye for now.